gonna be very casual, sporty and relaxed. You can wear it on weekends, you can go hang out with your friends as soon as lockdown is over. Take a gray sweatpants, mine are from Zara, and I combine it together with short sleeve turtleneck. The turtleneck is white, and on top wear a gray crop top. All three elements of this outfit are from Zara, and as usually I will leave you all the links down below. And I would wear this outfit with white sneakers. Mine are from Nike, and this is the classic Air Force One model. And of course on top of it we are taking our gray coat. With this outfit I would wear the coat just this way, you know, look very casual, relaxed, and I think perfect enough, right? On the second outfit I suggest to combine our gray coat with white color, because what goes perfectly with gray: white, brown, beige, black. Basically everything goes perfect with gray, but as you see, today's color palette, it's more neutral, more wintry, you know what I mean, with some warm accents. And of course I never dismiss white color even in winter. So all our elements beside coat will be white. We take white pants, white sweater, again the same white shoe, Nike Air Force One, and of course our gray coat, the main element of this video, right? I would take a white purse together to complete this outfit. And you know, when in winter most of the people wear dark colors, you in such outfit will for sure be eye-catching. And you know, this depressing dark palette that is mostly on the streets, you know, together with weather and all people wearing in black, you will be like a small sunshine. And our third outfit again will be in basic colors, black and gray. This time I suggest to take a gray sweater that has similar tone with our gray coat, and we will wear it with very dark gray jeans. And on top of it, to not look again very dark, I suggest to put a brown scarf. Brown and gray again go perfect together. Adding such a small element as a brown scarf that is contrasting to our whole outfit will make it much more interesting. The outfits that you want to look at, that you're curious about. And you know, I think the best achievement of an outfit when it's eye-catchy. I don't mean in a very like, you know, bright, annoying ways that you are like, whoa, but no, in a way that people want to look, people want to see the elements of your outfit. Maybe you yourself notice when you scroll your Instagram feed and you see people in interesting outfit, probably you take more time to look at this photo, take your time to look through all elements. On our fourth outfit, I suggest to go with classics, black and gray. They are like, you know, meant to be together, soulmates. So I suggest to go total gray on our top, gray scarf, gray sweater, and black pants and black shoe. Together with this outfit, I would wear black purse, but a little bit interesting. In my case, it will be this Guess black purse that is not that simple, you know, that's why it would perfectly go with a simple outfit. So when you combine very simple outfit with a little complicated elements, and it don't have to be different colors, it can be just with more interesting details, like in our case is this purse, the outfit will be very interesting again and quite successful, I promise you that. And it wouldn't be video on my channel if I didn't show you an outfit with a dress. I personally love dress. I know that it's a little complicated sometimes to style a dress, because you know, when you buy pants, you can wear it in million different ways, but when you buy dress, it's a outfit by itself. That's why I personally don't own lots of dresses, but I still love dresses, and when I find a successful catch, I always get it and I love it with all my heart. So enough of talks. In this outfit I would wear this midi knit dress that is very slim, and I get it from Zara. And also I get the idea of wearing it together with this small vest from Zara website. This is how they were styling it, and I just borrowed this idea. I think it looks amazing, very nice, interesting way, because you know, slim dress are a little tricky. They're a little bit out of time right now, because it was something in 2012, you know, Kim Kardashian style, when all part of your body is very visible. Nowadays it's not really trendy. Nowadays we prefer a little more oversized, something that doesn't really expose women's sexuality in a very like straight way. But still, I think it wouldn't hurt to own one dress like this, because in case of this dress, you can find very interesting way of styling it. You know, you can wear it with the oversized hoodie or sweater or blazer, just unlimited possibilities. But this time we go with this interesting vest, and I think it's very interesting play with colors. They're both beige, brownish beige, but at the same time very different tones. And I would wear them with this mango boots, and it's very trendy to wear midi dress and boots that are, you know, hiding under your dress. Exactly how I style it this time. And of course, our main guest today is this great coat. I think this outfit is very classy, looks very expensive in a good understanding of this word. Another good point that you won't feel cold because the dress is quite warm. This coat is made out of wool, and of course you can find the link below. I get it from Mango. And yes guys, these were my 5 ways I would style this gray coat, and my aim of this video was to show you how differently the same item could be worn. And please let me know which one of these 5 outfits is your favorite. Thank you so much for staying till the end of the video. It made me so happy, and I wish you to have a good day, and see you next time. Bye bye.